Good day, Pat the Backyard Builder here. Today we are fixing a bench bottom. This one here, for some reason, I suspect the temperature was a bit hot one day, and the bottom of the bench cracked as the concrete was setting, and we got spider cracks all along here. And now the cracks only go through, I think, probably about down to the rebar. I suspect, because they don't go all the way through. I've checked over very carefully, and they are just surface crack. Now, I've cut a bit of it out here. It looks like to go down maybe about half an inch, and I was right over in this one section here. It does actually go down to the rebar. And so anyways, we're just in the process of fixing that, and I'll show you the process I'm going to use. Okay, this is the tool we're using. I've got a irregular angle grinder, but I have on what is called a crack chaser. Now this is a segmented blade designed for cutting into concrete, and it's got a V-shape. It makes a V-shaped groove, and it's designed pretty much exactly for what I'm doing right now. Making chases through cracks. Chase is a channel that you fill with an epoxy filler or surface repair polymer modified cement or whatever. And well, we're going to be using a polymer modified cement to fix this bench afterward here. But what we do is we just simply go over the surface and we follow the crack, and we widen the crack out, and then we fill it, and that's what we're going to do here. Now, word of warning with these things: they are noisy, so make sure you have your ear protection. And there's a lot of dust and wood chips, a lot of dust and cement chips that are made when using one of these. So do make sure, I mean, if you need a dust mask, get a dust mask. Definitely use face protection, full face protection. Chips fly everywhere you're using this. In fact, long sleeve shirts are probably a recommendation as well, but it's a little hot today, so I'm bypassing that one. But this is basically how she's done. You just simply turn it on and follow the crack, and it makes a mess. It's probably best to avoid standing directly behind this as well when you're doing it. If you can angle the grinders, because like I say, everything that comes out of the crack just flies up and gets in chest, the arm, whatever. So if you can, try and angle the grinder so it's not going right back into your lap. Okay. And here's what it looks like once we get the cracks done. I've got a couple more cracks on this one corner here I got to chase after here, but that gives you a pretty good idea of what this little tool does. Just take an air compressor, blow those channels out, and make sure that you've got all the crack, and then get out your high strength polymeric cement and start sealing. That's about it for now. Have a good day.